Instructional video. How to unpack and assemble the Squiggles seating system. What's in the box? All parts will be contained in polythene bags, with each one clearly labelled. A number of adjustments will require the use of a multi-tool and a spanner, which you will find supplied in the box. Fitting the seat shell onto the base. There are three main elements to the Squiggles seat. The base, which can be for indoor or mobility use, the seat shell, including accessories, the activity tray. Firstly, you need to secure the casters to lock the wheels. Look for the locking pin next to the foot pedal at the back of the base and twist left or right 90 degrees to disengage. Place your foot on the foot pedal and raise base to maximum height. Tip: if you use tilt-in space to recline the seat back, it's much easier to see under the seat. You will find a locking pin next to the front clasp, which you need to rotate either left or right. Line up the bracket on the back of the shell with the tube on the back of the interface, then lift the silver clasp at the front and allow the seat to move forward and engage. The shell is now secure on the base. Attaching the push handle. Push in the poppers on the bottom of the push handle and slide into the receiver tubes. Once pushed all the way in, the poppers will be visible at the end of the tubes and the handle can be secured by tightening the bolts or thumb screws on each side of the receivers. High-low functions. If using the Squiggles seat on an indoor base, disengage the locking pin at the lower back of the chassis beside the foot pedal. Put your foot onto the foot pedal and use your upper body weight to push the handles down and the seat away from you. Tilt-in space. Tip: before using the tilt-in space function, it is really important that you hold on to the push handle or seat back to avoid the possibility of the seat jolting back. To use the tilt-in space function, the handle will be locked with a safety collar. Disengage this. You can then make your adjustment of up to 25 degrees backwards recline or 10 degrees prone. Once the seat is at the desired position, please ensure to re-engage the safety collar. The shell, backrest, seat base and lower legs. Laterals. To attach, while holding the components together, align the plastic angle adjuster mouldings with the lateral bracket and slot into the backrest and refit the bolt and secure. Use the same method to attach the protraction pads. Optional shoulder support. To attach, remove the headrest mounting bracket by removing the bolts. Insert the shoulder section bracket and the spacer plate between the backrest and the headrest mounting bracket. Bolt back together, securing the two metal tabs with the bolts provided. Pommel. To fit the pommel, slide into the receiver, insert the pin to prevent the pommel from being accidentally removed. Always remove the pommel before placing the child in the seat. Sandals. To attach the sandals, insert the male bolt to the top of the sandal and position the rubber washer at the footplate and the silver washer underneath. Engage the female bolt and move the sandal to the desired position, then secure. Headrests. A range of headrests can be interfaced onto the Squiggles seat using the bracket at the top of the backrest. Simply slot your chosen headrest into the bracket at the top of the backrest and secure. You can adjust the headrest height, depth and angle as required. Simply use the hand lever. Tray. To attach the arms to the tray, simply align the mouldings, place the male bolt from the inside, take the two plates, rectangular cut first, align the second plate washer, and turn the handle to secure. Slide the arms into the receiver tube and is secured using the star-shaped knobs. To adjust the height, simply alter the thumb screws on each side to free the bars. Secure these thumb screws when at the desired height. To angle adjust, use the handles on each side and lock off once at the desired angle.